Alright, well, part 2 for the engine swap on the Blue Focus. So, let's go. Alright, so I forgot to film, but basically so far what we did is we took off the AC compressor and disconnected the rest of the wiring harness, so it's hanging right here on the side. Right now what I'm doing is just disconnecting this coolant line right here, and then I'm going to disconnect this one. Looks like he's taking off the belt over there for the alternator. Maybe we could take the alternator off. I disconnected the lines for the transmission right here. What I'm going to do next is disconnect this for the bleeder valve for the clutch. And then, I don't know if we'll get to it today. We're going to have to jack the car up. And I think I need to get a bigger socket for the axles, take the axles out, disconnect the downpipe. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today, probably not. But and then after that, it should be ready to pull. So we got the alternator off. Well, he got it off. And the starter's broken because I fucked it up pulling it off. So I need to get a new starter for that. AC compressor is off. Got this coolant line off right here. What we can do is disconnect the high pressure fuel pump. Looks like he already got this belt off. He makes this stuff look easy. Yeah, and then that's what it looks like when the starter's off, and then I still need to disconnect that line over there. So everything's done right here. So all that's left is just the motor mount, tranny mount, disconnecting the downpipe, and taking out the axles. That's gonna take some time. I don't know if we're gonna get to it today, but I know for sure tomorrow if we have the time as well. But yeah, taking off the harness was really easy. I didn't know how easy it really was. Alright, so this is going to be it for part 2. We just got to take the axles out, downpipe, and then motor mounts. And then that's it. Pretty easy. Everything's disconnected. And then that's going to be it for this. And then we're going to start swapping everything over to the new motor over there. And it's getting dark. I don't have lights or anything, but also I need to get the socket for this right here. That's way too big. And then that's it. So